Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to block all cookies in Safari on your Mac. Are you tired of being tracked online and want to increase your privacy? Blocking cookies is a great way to do just that. In this easy guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable cookies in your Safari browser. We'll cover everything from accessing the Preferences menu to selecting the correct option to block them all. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, let's jump right in. Screen recording starts. Show Safari browser on Mac. First, open Safari on your Mac. Highlight Safari in the Dock or Applications folder. Next, go to the Safari menu in the top left corner of your screen. Highlight the Safari menu in the menu bar. Click on Preferences. Click the Preferences menu item. A new window will pop up. In this window, click on the Privacy tab. Highlight and click the Privacy tab. Now, you'll see a section labeled Cookies and Website Data. Highlight the Cookies and Website Data section. To block all cookies, simply check the box that says Block All Cookies. Highlight and click the Block All Cookies checkbox. A warning message will appear asking if you're sure you want to block all cookies. This is because blocking cookies might cause some websites to not function correctly, as cookies are often used to store login information and preferences. Show the warning message clearly. Click Block All. Click the Block All button. And that's it. You've successfully blocked all cookies in Safari. Now you can close the Preferences window. Close the Preferences window. Remember that some websites may not work as expected with cookies blocked. If you encounter issues, you can always reverse these steps and allow cookies again. Show Safari browsing normally after cookies are blocked. Okay, so that's how you block all cookies in Safari on your Mac. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Fix Zone video.